got 7 days to sell everything I own, cause truckloads of us are being driven from our homes. I'm prone to using logic, but the logic isn't there, and since they don't care, I'm being carried away from the country and I'm scared. Broken glass everywhere, my house is left bare. So I stare into the sky, asking why my heritage makes me a criminal. I've been beaten so hard, my senses are minimal. My country, 'tis of thee, is the song that I sing, but being led at gunpoint is so embarrassing. Life by kerosene and blankets out of rags. I got clothes on my back and none in my bags. They call me right freedom, but it's not the current status. Each step that I take changes my apparatus. The life sentence, life is being taken away. I die for this country on any given day. I stay to the back, hoping to be forgotten, but with every step I take, I can see I'm treated rotten. I've got to know respect, certainly it's the key. What's being done to Jews is now being done to me. They'll fight for him, but they won't fight for me. Labeled American, but I'm not truly free. I see the rising sun, my flag is stars and stripes.